and I just got caught in the middle of a dust storm.
We're Erin and Brandon. If you're just tuning in, we're a van life couple on an epic road trip attempting to visit every national park in the continental United States. While it's been amazing, every once in a while we need to slow things down, and what better time to do that than in California? We drove down the Pacific Coast Highway, stopping in Malibu. Think we should buy a house?
Yeah, how about one of those? That sounds good.
Santa Monica, and eventually made it to San Diego. Unfortunately, this is our last day on the coast, so we were enjoying the beach in San Diego. I have absolutely loved taking a break from national parks for a few days, but continuing on with the national park road trip, and we are heading to Joshua Tree today. Rocks rock.
These rocks rock my socks off.
Hey, where are your socks?
They're off. They knocked them off.
Oh, they are pretty cool, actually.
Yeah, they're
very
really
unique.
Yeah, I've never seen rocks like this.
We made it to Joshua Tree. Our first stop is a Keys View overlook. Already the landscape is just unlike anything else I've ever seen. Really beautiful, really weird, kind of. I'm excited to explore it, but for tonight, we'll just be doing this overlook.
Smells so good. Isn't it beautiful? Erin's outdone herself. This is the first time in this recipe, and I think I can already tell it's a do-over. Well done.
This is a creamy coconut rice with chickpeas. I made it the other night with my friend Lauren in Newport Beach, and I wanted to try it out on my own. So we'll see how it is.
It's gonna be great.
How to reach out to the open arms. Blue skies turning red.
When I went to go outside, there was a big dust cloud in the distance, but I was like, oh, I'm good here. And then I was doing push-ups, and at the end of doing push-ups, I guess the wind shifted, and I just got caught in the middle of a dust storm. It's time to go.
This is where we slept last night. It used to be a lake, but it's all dried up. This is the most classic desert thing ever. It's a full-on tumbleweed.
BLM land is government-owned land that you're allowed to stay on for free. It's usually not maintained, but you can stay on the land, and this is like classic BLM land, I feel like, because just spread out all over the place, especially when we pulled in last night, were RVs, vans, people staying in tents. Just a nice place to stay for free, and you don't have to worry about somebody coming and knocking on your window and asking you to leave because you're allowed to stay. It's kind of like national forest land.
Finished working for the morning. I was actually filming a class for Skillshare, how to edit and upload your first YouTube video, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So if you're interested in learning how to edit on Premiere Pro or interested in getting into YouTube, check that out. Avocado toast with a fried egg.
Lovely. Thank you, Erin.
We were just in a dust bowl. We're in the desert and it's raining. So I look up, how often does it rain in Joshua Tree? It rains 29 days per year and their average is 0.01 inches on the ground. The one day we're in Joshua Tree and we're about to go on a hike, it's raining. The sun has peeked out, it's only slightly raining, and we are gonna do the Rhine Mountain hike.
It's definitely been one of the coldest we've done so far on this trip. It's like 40 degrees and very windy, but honestly, internal body temperature feels good. Beautiful view.
Well, this is our first snowfall in a national park. I'm thinking first of many.
Yeah.
This is crazy. This weather is so bizarre. Obviously, it's not the ideal case for being in Joshua Tree because you want the blue skies with the cactus and the rocks. But it's kind of cool. Oh, there's one right there. Well, we can't see much from the top, but we made it to the top. So that's an achievement.
Now it's snowing pretty heavily and the wind is very intense up here. It's pretty nuts. I'm actually enjoying it because I know that Ronnie's not going to get stuck in this level of snow, but it's our first snow of the year.
Yeah. Now let's get out of here.
A little hot tea after a cold hike, and repping my two new favorite items, our hoodie and mug. If you want some of this, check it out in the description below.
Well, of course, as we're about to leave Joshua Tree, the sun is shining, blue skies right ahead of us, but we are heading to Death Valley National Park right now. I gotta plug in my seatbelt. So we're on the road again. Make sure to subscribe, stay tuned, and live alternatively.
Telling Erin this was going to be like the most beautiful drive. You're going to see like the most beautiful beaches, whatever it is, just greatness all around us. Not the best day to be at the beach. One thing is the water's really warm.
Yeah.
So, let's go in.
We actually almost considered driving down to Mexico and then kind of just forgetting about the whole national park trip. Just enjoying the sun and the beach there, but thankfully for this goal that we have, the Mexican-US border for land crossing is closed. So that is gonna have to be another time. Would have changed up the dynamics of the videos for sure, but
noodle soup.
I'm really hard on this.
Do you get the reference?
Yes, but everyone else isn't gonna.